Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription box that runs about $15 a month. It's a little bit unusual because it doesn't have a survey or a lot of personal preferences taken into account. Mostly what they do is pick things that the Allure beauty editors like. You typically get about 4 to 5 products in every box, and 2 of them are full-sized. So today I have the December 2019 box, and let's see what's inside. They ship it to you in this cardboard sort of gift box, and they shrink wrap it and slap a label on top. So what you see here is the shipping box. First you have the flyer, which is pretty common in a lot of these boxes. It has a little story about each of the products, why people like them, why they chose it, and how I recommend using it. It also has a lot of discount codes, so if you like the trial size, you can buy a full one at a discount. Then it has tissue, and the products are inside. First we have the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. It's a hairstyling product that apparently is great for blow drying and helps with frizz and heat protection. Next we have a full-size product. This is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is kind of, I think, akin to the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. It's one of those that's supposed to be a 2-in-1 kind of product. This seems to have pretty gentle ingredients, so I might try it. It's a $28 product, so it's a pretty good value to get this for only $15. However, it does have ingredients like cyclopentasiloxane, I believe is how you say it, and that is one of the silicones that sometimes irritates my skin, so I might save it for a giveaway instead. This month's box featured Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is pretty unusual. So it's a particularly high value box if you tally up the monetary value. There was one trial size product from Anastasia, which is her clear brow gel. I do like using brow gels, and so I think this is a nice kind of universal product that is different from the typical bronzers and highlighters and mascaras that you get in a lot of beauty boxes. I'm excited to try this one because it's a really good brand and I've heard a lot of good things about it. Next was another full-size product from Anastasia. This is her liquid lipstick. This is a full size in the shade Bohemian. It's pretty dark, so I don't know if it's the shade that I will use, but it's probably a really good giveaway item for me. So again, it's a good value, but not necessarily something that I personally will use. Last but not least, we have the Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia. This is actually a kit with 6 different highlighter shades. This retails for about $40, so I was pretty surprised to see this in my $15 beauty box. But it really isn't something that I would go out and buy myself, so I was a little bit disappointed that it wasn't colors that I would use on an everyday basis. In general, I would say Allure is a pretty high value beauty box. Each month is a little bit different, but they do include a lot of expensive beauty products, which kind of sets it apart from some of the other boxes. Unfortunately, it doesn't really take a lot of my personal preferences into consideration, and so just because it's a $60 product doesn't mean that it's something I buy. So I don't find that every month I get my full value out of the box. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue my Allure subscription into the new year, but it's been fun being able to see what other people are really interested in and what they recommend. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.